Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make left-leaning and right-leaning increases called make one left purl and make one right purl. These increases are worked on the purl side when you want to increase between purl stitches. If you look at the knit side, the make one left purl looks exactly like the make one left, and the make one right purl looks exactly like the make one right. So when I say that make one left purl is a left-leaning increase, that means that the stitch leans to the left on the knit side, not on the purl side. To make one left purl, insert your left needle from front to back under the strand between the two stitches. Then purl the picked up stitch through the back loop. You have now increased one stitch. I will add another stitch here. So insert the needle from the front under the strand between the stitches. Purl the picked up stitch through the back loop. I will show you the make one left purl a few more times. To make one right purl, you insert the left needle from back to front under the strand between the stitches. Then purl the picked up stitch. I will add another make one right purl here. So insert the needle from back to front under the strand and then purl this picked up stitch. I will show you the make one right purl a few more times. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.